Hello, this video tutorial is to help you find peer-reviewed articles using the King Library's access to OneSearch and database subscriptions. So you want to start off by going to the main website for the King Library, which is library.sjsu.edu. And once you're on this site, you can go ahead and use the search bar to type in your key terms. In this case, we'll be looking for teen spaces and public libraries. We're going to go ahead and click the magnifying glass to search. And here is the results list. In order to get options that are more tailored to your search, you can go ahead and sign in using your student account. But for our purposes, we want to click on Articles Plus and scroll down to the left side and click Peer Reviewed Journals to make sure that we are getting peer-reviewed results. We can click Apply Filters, and you can go ahead and look for the articles that you are interested in. You can go ahead and click on the title, and you will be given access to see which databases hold those articles. Additionally, you can search using the database subscriptions that SJSU has access to. So once again, on the main page of the King Library, you can scroll down until you find this blue box here that says Articles and Databases. And you're going to go ahead and click that, which will take you to the page with a list of databases. Some of the more popular databases are the Library and Information Science Source and the Library and Information Science Collection. Depending on which database you'd like to use, you can go ahead and click it. Go ahead and sign in. In this case, I have used the Library and Information Science Source. You can go ahead and type in your keywords. Teen spaces and public libraries. You're going to hit the search button and you'll be taken to a results list. You can go ahead and click here where it says Scholarly Peer-Reviewed Journals on the left hand side, and you should have results for the keywords that you're looking for. Again, this is just the Library and Information Source. You can use various other databases such as the Library and Information Science Collection to find exactly what it is that you're looking for. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.